Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Project, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your Primary 6 Foundation Math Assessment number 5. Alright, so let's take a look at this question. You should be able to do this question simply because this question we have repeated over and over and over again. It should be second nature to you if you keep practicing it over and over again. Are you still doing your practices? Are you still repeating the questions 3 to 5 times every single week? If you are, you should be able to do this question superbly simply. Okay? So let's take a look at the question. It's one of those volume questions. Okay, so the figure shows a rectangular container, as you can see here. The container contains 20 liters of water. Okay, A, find the height of the water level in the container, and B, how many more liters of water is needed to fill the container completely. The question is it 15? No, because 15 is the full capacity. Full capacity means what? Full capacity. Okay, full capacity means how much it can hold. Can I write this down for you? Full capacity is equals to, full capacity means maximum. In other words, that's the most I can hold. Maximum or most I can hold. Okay, so that's what it means. So full capacity, the height will be 15 cm. But now it says that it's only 20 liters. Now 20 liters is equals to what? 20 times 1000 cm cube. Why do we want cm cube? Because we are looking for the volume. So we have 20,000 cm cube of water. Now, how do we find the height of something? Okay, given that we have the length, okay, the base, the breadth, sorry, and the height, okay. In order for us to find, let's say, let me draw for you first, like that, okay. I'll give you an example. Let's say if you want to find the length of, let's say, a rectangle, okay, and you're given the area is equal to 20, and you're given that the length is 10. How do you find the height? How do you find the breadth? Simply 20 divided by 10, right? In this case, it's similar, okay? You have your length, you have your breadth, your height. For volume, you have to divide it by two numbers, okay? In other words, you take 20,000, which is, like in this case, like the area, you divide it by length and your breadth. So what is your length times breadth? Your length times breadth is 50 times 40, which gives you 2,000. Correct? 50 times 40 is 5 times 4 gives you 20, 2000. So your answer would be what? 10 cm. Okay, if you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. So that's part A. And for part B, how many more liters of water is needed to fill the container completely? Either you can find a long way. Basically, you take 15 cm times 20 times 4, times 50, 15 cm times 40 times 50, and then you find the full capacity. Okay, I'm going to do both ways, okay, so that you can see. So the first way is to take 15 times 40 times 50. Then I will find what? The total amount of water in there, the volume. 15 times 40, oops, sorry, let me show you, times 50. So you get 30,000 cm cube. That means full capacity is 30,000 cm cube. But right now, how many do you have? Which equals to 30 liters, right? Right now, how many liters do you have? You have 20 liters. So 30 liters minus 20 liters to fill in the tank, you need only 10 more liters. That's the first way. Okay, the second way you can do this is also to realize that, total height, maximum height is 15 cm. Okay, right now, I got it filled up to 10 cm. So I got 5 cm left. So what is the volume of water for 5 cm? It's simply 5 cm times the length times the breadth. Okay, in other words, it's like saying, now we have this tank over here, right? And instead of 10 over here, how about I just take the one over here, 5, okay? So I learn to make this amount of water, like that, okay? So it's something like this. So what is the amount of water of this? It's actually 5. Again, the same is 50 and 40. So it's simply, the answer is also 10,000 liters. Am I correct? 10,000 cm cube, which gives you 10 liters. Let's check our answer. 5 times 40 times 50, which gives you the answer of 10,000 cm cube, which gives you 10 liters. So basically that's it, alright? If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job, very proud of you, alright? So basically that's it. And remember, that brings me to the final quote of the week. This is the last video, right? Momentum gives you more results with less effort. What does momentum mean? It comes from the word moment, M-O-M-E-N-T. Take a moment, keep doing it, right? Keep doing it, take a moment to do it, and make sure even if you feel superbly lazy, just take a moment and just do it. Do it for a moment. After a while, right, you will get into momentum. You get some feeling of like, I want to do more of this, you know. That's how I do my videos. That's how I do my work. I keep doing it more and more and more, even if I don't like it at first. Here's the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. Successful people do what the unsuccessful people are not willing to do, which means that the successful people also have the same feeling of, oh, I'm lazy. But instead of giving into that, they actually go ahead and just do what they don't like to do. But after a while, they get momentum and they like doing it. And when they like doing it, they start doing it more of it and they get more results. More results with less effort as their mind starts working so much faster. So same thing for you. Even if you don't like math, just keep doing it. Keep doing it, start seeing more fun in it, and I trust me, it becomes very fun when you start getting it right. Am I right? So the more you get right, the more fun it becomes, and you begin to do more questions, and when you practice more, you begin to understand more. Your mind works faster, and when PSLE comes, you're gonna score high. Trust me, you're gonna score very high. So my advice to you is just to keep doing it. Keep doing it, even if you feel like stuck right now. You just gotta push it, because now the wheels are about to turn. They're gonna turn faster. So keep the momentum going. And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.